Afternoon, YouTube. Um, this isn't going to be a fire alarm related video, and there's my dog. This is just going to be some projects around the house. Um, as you can see, we're going through a renovation right now, and if my dog would be quiet. So one thing that I think I've got the next couple days off, I'm going to go ahead and wire in another outlet off of this one. Wire it in somewhere over here because I have a shop light, one of those hanging types that I want to put up here. Haven't exactly figured out the whole deal, but what the plan is I'm gonna go in the attic. I know it's summertime, great timing. I'm gonna go ahead and tie in a line coming from that outlet across, probably over here somewhere, and I'm gonna put in an outlet here, and then I'm gonna drill in the chains for the light, and I'm gonna hang it, so then I'll have a shop light finally. Another project we've got going on as well will be in my bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this rusty shower curtain. Not sure you can see that, but that thing is crusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that as well, and if I have time, we'll probably do the front flower bed as well once it gets cooler. So let's get started. Right, so I think what I think is the hardest part is done. I got the wire run from there through the attic, and I'm putting in the outlet box here. And I'm just cutting it a little bit to get it to fit, and then I'll be able to put it in and wire it up, and I think that'll be a lot easier than I thought. Not easy, but because I'm still scared of going in and out of the attic, because, you know, this ladder is how I get in. But let's see where we're going. I just gotta trim it up a little bit, and I think it'll have that box in no time. Alright, guys. Whew. Got that outlet installed. Now, just gotta put this one back, get it all wired up. And I think that is going to be a real fun time. Might have to move this table saw. You know what? That right there is a victory. That's just gonna be a whatever at this point. So, see you in a little bit. Alright, you guys, it's the moment of truth. I've got everything put back, and over there on that outlet I've got a fan, so hopefully nothing blows. What? Awesome. Alright. Alright, so that is good. We have got power. Okay. Good. Now, the only thing is to mount the shop light, and we can call this done. Alright, stay tuned. I reckon that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on. Ooh, yeah. She lights up my mess quite well. And the beauty of this one is, once I turn it off, it's also a Bluetooth speaker, so I could be out here listening to my tunes. Yeah. Yeah. Got a shop light now. Now we're moving up in the world, you know? I just gotta clean all this mess up. Ugh, fun. Alright. So, I'm gonna take a break. Probably upload this real quick. And I'm gonna come back and do part 2 of the shower curtain. So, sorry I didn't get to film the beginning of this. This right here has probably been the hardest project so far today, is changing out this curtain rod. First thing, obviously, I took the curtain off, and just so that you can see just how rusty this thing is. It is absolutely trashed here. So, what I was just hoping was going to be the case is, these brackets that came with it, made out of plastic, I was hoping that they were going to be the same, you know, spacing between the screws as the old ones. Murphy's Law said otherwise, so what we're doing is we're just reusing the old hardware from the old shower rod, and I'm just taking the screws out of the bracket. When I tried to put it up, it wasn't working. I'm gonna have to get a new screw for one of these, because this one is bent. So, whatever. In the meanwhile, I got 2 screws on that one, so that should hold it level until I can get another screw on there. Hopefully, that's just gonna be how it's gonna have to happen today. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this right here put up, and hopefully I'll be able to take a shower after this, because after crawling around in that attic, I am hot and I am sweaty. I'm disgusting. So, I'm gonna get to this, and I'll see you soon. Okay. That's in. That didn't take too long. If you're not looking, you almost can't tell. And if you got the curtain closed, no one, your guests are none the wiser if the curtains are closed. I mean, seriously, who looks at the heart? Like, who looks at that? I mean, this, I can understand, but this, So, now, just gotta get cleaned up, clean yourself up, and we'll be good. I'll be able to take a shower now. Once I, clean up again. Looks like I'm gonna have to clean the bathroom once more. Oh well, that's just how the ball bounces. Although I'm not entirely sure I'm gonna get to the front planter box, but I really don't want to do that anyway. So, there's tomorrow.